Hello my loves, I am Jovita George and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look right here for Onam. This is going to be very easy, very simple, glamorous still and beginner friendly as well. The main focal point of this look is obviously that dewy glowy skin and that berry lip. Might as well add a little bit more glow too. For more such beauty videos, do not forget to check me out, Jovita George, on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start by prepping and priming my skin, and for that I'm going to use the Lakmé Absolute Hydro Pro Gel Cream. Just like the name suggests, this is a beautiful gel cream textured moisturizer that's going to provide you 48 hours of hydration, and makeup just glides on beautifully and sits very well on top of a well hydrated face. Let this moisturizer sink into your skin for 10 minutes if you've got the time. Step 2 is to apply a very light layer of foundation all over your face, and here the key is to get a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. And today I'm going to use the Lakmé 9to5 Primer+Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade C380 Cool Walnut. You need very little of this foundation because this foundation has full coverage, and when you use this foundation, guys, you don't even need to use a concealer. And when you're applying a foundation, start from the center of your face and blend it outwards. Also, do not forget to get a little bit of foundation down your neck and jaw as well. Now that we have a flawless base, it's time to correct your under eye circles if you have any. I'm going to take the same foundation in a shade lighter. This is N360 Neutral Chestnut, and apply it just underneath my eyes, also to brighten up the center of my face. This is going to give you that lit from within look. To apply this, you can use a beauty blender, a foundation brush, or of course you can even use your finger. Next up is to set this all in place. If you are prone to creasing a little bit under your eyes, or if you sweat a lot, this step is so important. And for this, I like to use a loose powder because it gives you a very fresh, non-cakey feel. And today I'm going to use Lakmé 9to5 Naturale finishing powder infused with aloe vera and green tea extract. And the foolproof way to use this would be to take a powder brush, dip it directly into the powder, tap off the excess. Take the lid of your loose powder and really work that powder into your brush by swirling it in. This will ensure that you have very minimal powder on the brush and you're really saturating your brush with the powder. Apply this powder only where you crease, like underneath your eyes, your forehead lines and your smile lines, and where you tend to get oily, like the bridge of your nose. Now let's add some life and flush to our cheeks. Of course, it's time for blush. Today I'm taking Lakmé Absolute Blush Duo in the shade Pink Blush. Now of course we cannot ignore our glow. Time for highlighter. I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Moonlit Highlighter right on top of my cheekbones. And when it comes to a highlighter, guys, you don't have to stick to the face alone. You can even take it down your collarbone, your décolletage, even your neck or your shoulder, depending on what outfit you're wearing. A quick tip would be to take a clean, wet beauty blender and pounce it all over your face to make sure that all of these multiple layers that we applied have blended together seamlessly. Before we move into the eyes, guys, I'm going a little out of order today. I'm going to first do my lips. This is to set the pace of our whole look so I know how heavy or how light to go on my eyes. And the lip color I'm going to be wearing today, I am so in love with it. It's like the most flattering berry shade for all Indian skin tones. This is the Lakmé Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mulberry Feast. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? But as you can see, this shade is leaning more towards a grape purpley shade. I have a little bit more maroony shade in my sari and I want my lips to match my sari. So what I'm gonna do is take the same matte melt liquid lipstick in this shade called Firestarter Red, woo boy, and apply just a touch to the center of the lips and blend it out. And just like that, I've got a gorgeous maroon custom made to suit the color of my sari. Now, time for the eyes. And before we actually move into the eyes, we're gonna frame our brows. Did I say frame the brow? Basically, just fill in your brow. I know that some of you find it very difficult to fill in your brows, but all you have to do is take your brow pencil, and if you feel like there are any empty spots in your brow, just fill that out. That's all you need to do. Just like that, and done. Boom. Now for the eyeshadow, we're going to keep it very, very simple, very, very basic. I'm going to take this neutral eyeshadow palette from Lakmé called the Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Pink Paradise. And first I'm going to dip my brush into this pink and peach shade and pop that in right into your crease. This pink shade is going to create a beautiful transition shade for the rest of the colors that we're going to apply. So like a rainbow in an upside down U shape, apply this pink peach margarita combination and blend it out. Done. Now dip that same brush into this gorgeous milk chocolate brown color. If you are of darker skin tone, you can even take this brown color. If you are of lighter skin tone, take a brown that is lighter than this from another Lakmé palette. And pop that all over your eyelid. You can also apply that brown color to your lower lash line to really smoke it out. This will also make your eyes appear much, much larger and rounder than it already is. Dip your pinky finger into this frosty baby pink eyeshadow. Just pop it right into your inner corner, just like that. And with your finger itself, you can give it a couple of little dabs to blend it out. And this little step is really gonna open up your eyes and make it look bright and doe-eyed. When in reality, you're just so stuffed with the Ona Sadhya and you just wanna take a nap. Next step is our kajal, our dearly beloved kohl pencil. Very simple, guys. Line your waterline like you would do. And now with the same kohl pencil, I'm gonna line my lash line just on the outer thirds and flip to that smudgy tip and smudge this out. So we really don't have a defined eyeliner, but a very subtle, smoky something there, like nobody can pinpoint on what it is, but it's there. And the final step to finish this look is to apply loads and loads of mascara, guys. I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Flutter Secrets Volumizing Mascara, and the secret really over here is to get right to the base of your lashes, wiggle and pull out, and also focus most of your mascara right to the outer corners of your eyes more than the inner corners of your eyes to give you a cat-like winged out effect. We are almost done. We cannot say finito without having that little red bindi to match our lipstick. For that, I'm gonna take that same lipstick that we used on our lips, guys, because why not? If you have a stick-on bindi, go ahead with that as well. And that is it for this video, guys. I told you this is gonna be simple, elegant, quick, and easy. For more such beauty videos, do not forget to follow me on Jovita George here on YouTube. And if you like this video, guys, give that like button just underneath this video a big old smash. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, if you recreate this, definitely post it on Instagram, tag me on Instagram, tag Lakmé, so we can all see your beautiful faces. Happy Onam, you guys. I love you. I shall see you in my next one. Mwah.